Hi, so welcome to my channel Little Life Guru. Today we're going to be making macrame pots. So to make your macrame pot you're going to need a small sized terracotta pot, some scissors, some string, twine and some paint samples. So this is the cotton twine I used, it's 85%. So these are the pots after they've been painted. I chose some matte samples here by Crown. And you can see the colours there if you want to copy me. So I roughly gave the pots a couple of coats. It's okay if they're not done perfectly, because this kind of adds to the shabby chic look. And I started cutting up pieces of twine which measure about 28 centimetres long. And you're going to need 8 of these for each pot. You're going to knot them at the end. And then you're going to feed the knot through the hole at the bottom of the terracotta pot. That's another point. Make sure that you get a terracotta pot with a hole in the end. You're going to divide them into twos, as you can see here. And then you're going to do a knot just on the sort of lip at the bottom there of the pot. You're then going to take a strand from either side of the knot you're working on and the knot next to it, and as you can see here, do another knot, and you're going to do that all the way around. And then you're going to do the same thing again, so taking a piece of string from one knot, a piece of string from another, and creating another knot, and it kind of creates that webbed macrame look, which you can see here. So I did several until I got to the lip of the top of the pot. And then if you flip it up and you hang the pot itself, you can see now how it's supported and how the knots keep the pot in place. And then I'm going to show you how I created the kind of almost like a plait, it's like a swirling plait up the sides of the remainder of the rope, which gives it a really pretty kind of finish. You'll see that the knots start to twirl and start going in a spiral direction. That's how you know you're doing it right. And if you were ever into making friendship bracelets, this was a really popular type of knot. So you keep doing this on all 4 sides. And I'm just going to show you here how to finish off the end of one of the sides. You'll now see that it's got this kind of swirling effect to it. And we're just going to bring up the end. So you can see here how I'm adding on to it, and you can probably just about see how it's swirling. Almost like a little staircase going round and round and round. So once you've done all 4 sides, it should look something like this, and you can see the swirling knots at the side, which give it that little nice extra finish and detail. And I decided to fill mine with flowerless lavender, and then I hung them from a plain fence that I had, which I didn't want to grow anything up. I decided to get 6. I still have 1 to hang, and this is the finished look. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Otherwise, see you guys again soon. Thanks. Bye.